Hello, my name is Sofia and I'm going to explain the components of a robot car with an Arduino board and what are they for. First, and the most important, the Arduino board. So, the Arduino board is an open source platform used for building electronic projects. It consists of both the physical programmable circuit board and a piece of software. Well, in this case, we use the physical one, which is Arduino board 1. This has 14 digital input and output pins, of which 6 can be used as a PWM outputs, 6 analog inputs, and a USB connection, a power jack, a reset button, and more. All of it contains everything needed to support a microcontroller. Simply connect it to a computer with a USB cable or power it with a AC to DC adapter or battery to get started. Okay, so now it's turn for the servo motor. Well, a servo motor is a rotary actuator or motor that allows for a precise control in terms of angular position, acceleration, and velocity. Its capabilities that a regular motor does not have. So, servo motors are not actually a specific class of motor, but they are a combination of specific parts. In this case, it happens to include a DC or AC motor, and they are suitable for use in a closed loop servo mechanism that uses position feedback in order to control its rotational speed and position. So, in this car or robot, the servo motor is used for the position or the speed of the car, and it is linked to the wheels of the car. Okay, now I'm gonna explain the 1865 battery. Okay, well, this is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and it is used in flashlights, electronics, laptops, vaping, and even some electric vehicles. In this case, it is used in an electric vehicle, and this is an eco-friendly battery, and this helps us to not change the battery of the car every period or certainly time when it needs to be changed. Okay, and now the ultrasonic sensor. Well, these use sonar to decide the separation of an article, simply like the bats do. And well, the activity is not influenced by daylight or dark material, although acoustically soft materials like cloth and can be difficult to detect. And it comes complete with ultrasonic transmitter and receiver module. Well, so the wheels are the ones that help us it helps the car, the robot to move, and they are linked with the gear motor. Okay, the motor driver uses a larger chip or discrete FETs, which are able to handle larger amounts of current and higher voltages than the standard and from a microcontroller pin. It uses two sets of transistors to control the heading that current is permitted to move through the engine. The motor driver helps the robot to drive itself. It send commands. Well, the code send commands to the motor driver to drive to the left, drive to the right, and it is also linked with the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, and last but not least, a gear motor. Well, this motor is a class of rotary electrical motor that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. This helps the wheels to rotate so the robot can move. So as you can see, all of the components I have mentioned are important so the robot can move. Each one is linked between them, and also each one has a specific way to help the robot to move. Okay, so as you can see, I have the code for the robot, for the Arduino robot, and now I have to verify if it has an error or something, or if it's correct. Now I have to click here to verify it, and I have to wait. Okay, and here it says that my code is perfect. It has no error or problem, and now I can use it. Okay, so now I'm gonna react to this video, and well, let's see how it's stuck with an Arduino. It's in TikTok, and well, let's see what's going on. Okay, so that sounds good. I like it. Yeah, it's a good rhythm. Well, as I can see, it's like with a sensor that says that when you want to click or just tap on a tab or in that square, it will produce a sound. I like it. It's a good rhythm, and it's like it is recording also the sound, and it's also with LEDs, so the code is like sending when you tap any square, a certain LED will turn on. I like it. And there's also a circuit of LEDs, and that's like the Arduino board is included in this I don't know what's in this electric table, I think is that. Well, it's pretty good. I like it.